What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando, and today let's press up some Supacolor transfers. Today we're going to be doing a front hit and a back hit. Now the reason I'm making this video is because a lot of people are having issues with peeling up their Supacolor transfers. You might have seen a million other videos out there. There's a lot of other content creators that made these same similar videos, but people are still having kind of a hard time. So I'm going to do my best and let you guys know exactly how I lay these things down and peel these things up. That's the big question, is when it comes to peeling the transfer up, people are saying it's not sticking to the shirt. People are saying they're having a hard time. They're ruining a bunch of shirts and a bunch of transfers. So I'm going to go through the process for you guys right now. First off, you're gonna see that I have a Teflon sheet on my press. The Teflon sheet is for the static. A lot of times, the back of the transfer, when you're pressing it down, once the press lifts up, sometimes the backing gets stuck to the top heat platen because of static, not because of the glue, not because of adhesive, not because of the ink. It's getting stuck to the top because of the static. You might see in some other people's videos that it gets lifted up, and you might see the shirt pop up. You might see whatever they're pressing on kind of pop up with the actual heat press. That's what it is. It's just the static. So I use the Teflon sheet as a buffer to kind of knock that static down so it doesn't get stuck to the top. Second, I'm using a Heat Press Nation Signature Pro press. Most of you guys already know that. And I know a lot of you guys say, man, that press is all sold out. You got to remember that is a very, very popular press for good reason. One, it's inexpensive. Two, it's a workhorse. Three, slide out drawer function. Next thing you guys are going to be asking, I'm doing this on 100% cotton t-shirts. I'm using all style t-shirts, 100% cotton. These are the settings that I use. This is how I press Supacolor down, front and back. All right, first and foremost, press is heated up at 321, 16 seconds, heavy pressure. On the shirt pressure knob, I'm reading 50. If you don't got the shirt pressure knob, max your pressure out. I'm going heavy on these transfers. Here's the t-shirt I'm using. Like I said, I'm using all style t-shirts. I don't think this is in focus, but I'm using all style t-shirts. First things first, I load my t-shirt on facing me. A lot of people load their t-shirts on backwards. This is kind of a screen printer thing. They lay it on this way. For myself, since I have this slide out drawer, I'm not working directly under the heat. I lay that thing down facing me. Hang the collar over the edge. I don't press with the collar still on the press because I feel like I'm not going to get an even press. It's not going to be a flat surface. So I hang the collar over the edge. So now this whole 15-inch square right here, nice, smooth, flat, no seams, no collar, no nothing blocking my way. Now what I'm doing is I'm pulling by the armpits. The little corner of the armpit, I pull it down on both sides, make sure it feels fairly even. Push it in, pre-press. I'm pre-pressing here for like 4 to 5 seconds to get the moisture out, flatten the shirt down. No moisture coming up, we're good to go. Here's the front hit right here. Now what I'm doing is I'm going 4 fingers down from the top. I lay the collar right at the edge of the bottom platen. I'm using my 4 fingers right here to lay it down. Transfer goes 4 fingers down. Now I'm doing a left chest print. When I do the left chest print, I'm going based off of the collar right here, that little U shape. From that peak, straight down. 4 fingers down, straight from there. That's where I'm centering up my transfer. Push it in. 321, 16 seconds, heavy pressure. So like I said, when you're ripping this thing up, one smooth motion. Don't stop in the middle, don't go slow. Lift it up, pull this out, get one corner, peel. That's all it is, one smooth motion. Now, as Supacolor's directions state, after you peel it up, repress it all over again. This is gonna lock everything in, everything down. Pull it up, boom. Front's done. Let's do the back. No need to pre-press because we already pressed the front up. Everything's good. Once again, pulling at the armpits, straight down, making sure everything is nice and straight. Back print. I don't do the 4 fingers down on the back because we're not going to the edge of the collar. center it up, push it in, boom. Same thing again, 321, 16 seconds. This press has the auto open feature. I keep my hand on the press to override it because it pops up pretty aggressively. Once again, from the corner, one smooth motion when you peel up. Repress, good to go. When you're peeling up, just grab one corner, give it one clean pull. Do not stop, do not go slow, just give it one good clean pull. Done. Back hit, front hit. All style t-shirt, Supacolor Transfers, 100% cotton, easy call. Here's a close-up of the design. Nice and clean, pressed into the shirt, butter smooth gradients. Here's a close-up of the back. Once again, butter smooth gradients all the way around. No thick adhesive border all the way around. Nice clean print, laid into the shirt perfectly. All right, man, there you have it. Front and back hit, Supacolor. Like I said, when you're peeling the transfer up, one clean sweeping motion. Do not stop halfway. Do not go slow. Once you get that corner up, pull that shit. There you go. Front hit, back hit, good to go. Shout out to the homies from Rolling Bikes. If you wanted to pick up that shirt, I'll leave the link in the description on how to pick one of these things up. You guys got any questions? Make sure you leave it in the comments. Follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.